I am Daniel Ventura and I made the Didacta homepage, each with 9 buttons, each button linked to one main page of 9 different topics, each concerned with academical topics entirely. This to make easier the navigation of information and knowledge. It was made with Bootstrap and CSS. It currently has no JavaScript since it is not a register model.
Marcela Barrera, and I made the main page for each of the topics that the encyclopedia includes. I use Bootstrap, HTML, and CSS for giving them styles. First, there was a navigation bar on the top, and then a row for the title, and then another row with divided in two for the picture and the information, along with a navigation bar on the bottom. We didn't use JavaScript since we don't have any kind of dynamic uses for it.
My name is Carlos Herrera, and during this project I helped giving some ideas for the main page, as well as creating and designing the mockup and the design of the screen about water and its contents.
This is the main page for the Didacta Encyclopedia. Here you can see the 9 main topics we have for it. You can click on any one of them and it will give you a brief description of what the topic is about. For example, if you click on this one, it leads you to a page that has a description of what the topic is. It gives you the title, an image about it, and the information that it has. And also you can click on the articles that you have below it to get more information on any of these articles. Then you can go back to the web page and click on any other main topic you like. For example, if you choose chemistry, you click on it, it also gives you a brief description along with an image, and you can click on one of the topics on the bottom so that it gives you a better description of what that one is about. It gives you an image and also a brief paragraph of what it has. Since we're only displaying information, we didn't use any kind of JavaScript since it didn't require any dynamic actions. And it also has a search bar, but it's not functional since we would need to put a big quantity of articles on the web page, and also we would need to have more knowledge about databases in order to be able to use it. But for the moment, it only displays information about what the topics are about.
One of the main ideas of the project came when a friend of mine gave me a link to a university page which allowed me to understand a game theory with the help of an article and questions after the article, which allowed me to check that I was effectively understanding the topic. With this, we decided that it was a good idea to make an informational page without all the disorganization that current encyclopedias offer us. We can organize the topics on main pages, which offer the people that want knowledge an organized way to consult any topic that they want, and also checking that they can effectively understand the, the entire content. Or it's offered as a basic or entry level way of understanding the topic and then advancing to more complex ways of having the knowledge.
With this project, I learned more about how you have to design a web page before you actually start building it. It's easier to create a prototype first and then go from there to create the actual page. I also learned more about how to use CSS, HTML, and Bootstrap, and I learned that Bootstrap it's a very useful tool when you're trying to create a web page because it gives you custom classes that you don't have to design yourself, and it's easier to create elements with using just Bootstrap than doing it yourself.
At the end of this project, I did learn about design and design tools for web applications, as well as I think I reinforced my knowledge about web programming, about all the content, about how you have to upload it, how you have to write it, how you have to design it, to place it. And I think that's the part that I learned the most during this project, and it was quite a fun project after all.